Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we have a limited edition from Reebok, and we do start with the unboxing. Here I have some size comparison. I wasn't able to find this pair in my correct size, 41, so I had to pick this one, 40.5 or an 8 in US. As you already see, the box is quite nice. So, as my first impression, the colorway is great. I like it very much. Good quality in the leather. They did came with two pair of laces in two different colors, and I like them both. This is a limited edition and is related with Assassin's Creed game, so it will have many fans, I'm sure. Here is the alternative color for laces, and the regular one is white. The laces, they are made from microfiber synthetic material, and they are 135 centimeters or 53 inches long. On the tongue we can see the logo from Valhalla Assassin's Creed game, and it does look pretty cool. Here are some close-up with the tongue because I want to see a bit better the materials used on this tongue. On the back of the sneakers we have these two axes, and they really look very cool. On the lateral side we usually find a Reebok logo, but in this case we have like a Viking written. Here we have some shots with the outsole, which is regular, I would say, like in all the Club C Revenge. We can see a bit the interior and how it looks. The insoles are thin, they can be removed. This one has two axes. It has some stripes on the back, those are sticky. Here we can see the real material of the sneakers. Of course it's leather. Like I've said, on this insole we have the logo from the game, and on the other one we're gonna find the logo from Reebok. Here we have the second sneaker of this pair. I like that the quality is consistent in both. On the tongue, the logo, it remains the same on both sneakers. Here we have some shots with the other one. We can see here the thickness of this insole and the stripes that I was telling you that are sticky. They don't have any arch support, but even so, even with my medium high arch, I don't have problems with them. They are comfy enough. While I was changing the laces, I noticed that on this tongue we have some holes, and I thought you should know that. I personally like this feature in all of the sneakers. And here we have some very quick close-ups to see the quality and how well it's made. I like them overall. quality of the leather seems to be the same as all the Club C, which I really like it. Very soft and very nice to the touch. Like I said before, I wish that all the sneakers will have leather lining, but that's me, I know. Here we have the weight test. I'm doing this comparison with other Club C Revenge sneaker that I have. So in size 40.5 they have 740 grams or 26 ounces. And the other pair, which is in size 41 or 8.5 US, it has 777 or 27.4 ounces. So basically the difference in between sizes is 37 grams or 1.3 ounces. Making this a short physical comparison, the only thing that I notice is that the sole from the one which is gum, it's a bit more thicker than the one from Valhalla limited edition. So I'm expecting that walking on gravel you'll notice a bit more with the one from limited edition. In my case, half size down wasn't a problem for me. You can still use them without any issues because they fit a bit relaxed. Here we have some on-fit shots from upper angle. And now some on-fit shots from lower angle. So pros and cons. Well, I will say it's limited edition, and I think you'll like them if you like the game. And even if you don't like the game, they still look cool. So other thing is the price. It's 90 euros. It's not too expensive. In US I didn't see them. I don't know if they have them or they will receive them, but I didn't see them there. Cons, well, there are not too many. I like them the way they are. I wish the outsole it would have been a bit more thicker, like the regular one, because rubbing with my finger I did notice that lack of thickness, you know. I wish that they had leather lining and maybe some reflective details. Other than that, so my final thoughts: if you have the chance to buy them, I think is a good buy. I like them and I think they worth the money. I will end this video here. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know. See you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe.